So a DB2, a SQL Server or Oracle or anything, so you can maintain. Okay, here 1 or 2 or 5 years data, then you can maintain. Right, 10 years, not a problem. I want required 100 years of data, so not possible to maintain the data bases. Or 50 years means bulk huge data you cannot maintain the databases. Okay, you need the one warehouse, that is called a data warehouse. That is the general definition. This is the general definition. Data warehouse means you are maintain the huge data, means 100 years or 1000 years or 50 years, right? That type of data not possible to maintain the database. So then the data warehouse came to the picture. Okay, that is the general definition. This entire data warehouse, right, are divided two types of tools. One is the ETL tool and second one is the reporting or BA. So entire data warehouse are divided two parts. One is the ETL. ETL means extraction, transformation and loading. Coming to the reporting side, reporting are business intelligence tools. Reporting are business intelligence tools. Okay, entire data warehouse divided two parts. Okay, so two parts, ETL and reporting. So ETL means extraction, transformation and loading. Here so many tools are available in the market. Informatica, data stage, Ab initio, okay, Ab initio, data manager. So many tools are available in the market, ETL side. Our tool is a reporting side, right? So Cognos, MicroStrategy, Hyperion, OBI, SAP BO, BI, okay, BO, ClickU, Tableau, Spotfire. These are all the, so currently right, almost all the projects are there using the, these are all the reporting tools. Okay, here these are all the tools are old generation reporting tools. Okay, these three tools are new generation reporting tools. Recently means almost, okay, 4 to 5 years onwards leading in the market. Okay, these are the old generation reporting. Means Cognos, for example, Cognos almost 10 years onwards, right? It is almost right reporting. Cognos and Informatica same time it came. Almost 10 to 14 years onwards it is leading. Okay, so these are all old generation reporting tools. These are all the old generation reporting tools. ClickU and Tableau and Spotfire is the new generation reporting tools. What is the difference between the old generation reporting tool and new generation reporting tools? Okay, so all the new generation reporting tools are in-memory reporting tools. In-memory reporting tools. What is the in-memory? So for example, so you are using the Cognos or you are using the MicroStrategy, you are using any old generation reporting tool and you can build a report. You can build a report. Means, right, same database, same number of records. I am using the old generation reporting to one tool and I am using the new generation reporting to one tool. I am using and I will build the report. Okay, for example, I am using the Cognos. I built the report, okay, and I have run the report. It's taking 60 seconds. Okay, same report, same number of records, same number of database. I am using the Tableau or ClickU, using that one. I have built it, I have run the report. The output came 15 seconds. Why? All the new generation reporting tools are in-memory reporting tools. Okay, what is the in-memory? So in old generation reporting tool, if you run the report, go and hit, every time go and hit the database and fetch the data. Fetch the data. So if you run the report, it will goes to the database and hit it and pull the data and display the output. But in the new generation reporting tools, right, if you run the report, first time it will go and fetch the data and pull it stored under a server. Second time if you run it, no need to go and hit in the database. It will pull the data from the server. That is the reason. So comparing to the old generation reporting tools, the new generation reporting tools performance was very good. The new generation reporting tools, the performance was 1/4. So old generation report 60 seconds, then new generation report it's taking. Yes. Yeah. Tell me, Sudhir.
Sudhir, can you repeat once again that in-memory tool about this new generation tools? Sorry, I didn't follow that.
Yes, I'll tell you.
I got that, old generation.
Okay. So what happened? Okay. So in old generation report, what happened? If you run the report, for example, Cognos or MicroStrategy, if you run the report, every time go and hit the database. Go and hit the database and pull the data and display the output. Okay, that is the previous right, all the reporting tools, Now ClickView or Tableau or Spotfire, these are all in-memory reporting tools. What happens if you run the report? First time it will go and hit the database and pull the data. All the data it will be stored under a server. Next time if you run the report, no need to go and hit the database.
So where the server will be located? Yes. Sorry to interrupt you. Where the server will be located? You are telling it fetches the data from database, right? And it will be stored in a server. Right. So is there any interface between the server and the tool? You mean to say?
Yeah, database and the desktop and client server is there, right?
Okay.
Right.
Okay.
Yes. It is interface is there.
Okay.
So that is the reason, right? All the ClickView or Tableau or Spotfire. So that is the reason. Very good. Nowadays, all the clients are prepared. These are the three reporting tools. Reporting tools. All are commutators. Okay. So the second advantage of the second one, it is first one performance and it is in memory. Second one, okay, the cost wise. Comparing to the old generation reporting, could you please put on mute, please, Sudhir? Tulsi, are you able to understand what is the in-memory?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, next one, in the old generation reporting tools, the second, if you create any dashboard using the Cognos or MicroStrategy, you have some exposure. You need some experience, then only possible. Means comparing to some difficulties are there. But in ClickView or Tableau, using that one, you can easily. You don't have any previous experience, you don't want to record. You can easily create the dashboards or graphs. Okay, all you can create very simple manner. That is the second dashboards. Only these three tools. It is I don't know Spotfire in ClickView and Tableau. The main you can easily build the dashboards. Very simple. You don't want to require any experience. Okay, if you build the dashboard. But if you are using the Cognos, you can build the dashboard. Previously, you have at least some experience is there. Then only possible. But here, no need to require. Third one, the license cost wise, So comparing to the old generation reporting tool, so these new generation report, the license cost is off. For example, old generation reporting tools, any tool based on that tool. Okay, and Cognos $1,000, for example. This is the $500 only. So these three reasons, all the clients, they prepared the in the these new generation reporting tools. Okay, so that is the difference between the old tools and new generation. Nowadays, almost all the clients, they are prepared ClickView or Tableau. ClickView or Tableau. Now we'll go to the Tableau, then I will show you the ClickView. Okay, so what is the Tableau? Okay, so if you learn the Tableau, you have two types of jobs are available in the market. If you learn the Tableau, two types of jobs are available in the market. One is the Tableau admin and Tableau developer. Developer or a designer. Okay, if you learn the Tableau, right, once you got the job, maybe they will assign to the Tableau admin or Tableau developer. Sometimes you are only one person, means the client giving the billing only one resource, then you can handle the end-to-end admin and developer. Okay, so what if your role is admin? What are your roles and responsibilities? Installation and server maintenance. Installation and server maintenance. So how to install the software I will show you. Alright, I will take the remote control, I will show you. And server maintenance means you can stop the services, you can restart the services. These are all the things as server maintenance. Next one, so you need the give the access to the particular dashboard or particular workbook. You can give the access to the particular user. Okay, you need the groups and you need the users. So that is the reason create the groups and add the users. You can add the users. So once you have created the groups, then you can add the users based on LDAP setting or NTLM, based on the different formats. Each company they are following different formats. Then you can give the particular this folder I will give the business users. This folder I will give the developers. I will give the access. These are all the things called security. These are all the things are called security. So next one, we can deploy the reports from development to production or development to QA. So all the deployments. Next one, so anytime your server was crashed, you need the backup at least 3 months. Every 3 months you will take the backup. So that is the how to take the backup. The last one is schedule the reports. What is the scheduling? So US timing is different, India timing is different, UK, these are all the different time periods we are all. Every time we are not supported, right? Automatically I will schedule it. Schedule means particular time and date automatically run the report and output sent to the users. That is called scheduling. Okay, what happened? I will schedule it. So I will schedule the report every day morning or early morning 5 AM and send to the output to Sudhir. I will schedule it. Based on my scheduling, once 5 o'clock, early morning 5 o'clock, it will automatically run it and output came to the Sudhir mail. Okay, that is called scheduling. So mainly, if your role is admin, you are involved to this part. Okay, these are the parts you are involved. Okay, your role is admin, you can involve mainly, so you can involve, these are all things. Okay, what about Tableau developer or designer? So developer or designer, primary aim, you can build the report. You can build the reports or dashboard or workbooks, any name you can call. Here, first highest level is the workbook in the Tableau terminal. Workbook is the highest level. So workbook is a collection of dashboards is called workbook. What is the dashboard? So a dashboard is a collection of worksheets. Okay, that is the Tableau perspectives. So your role is you can build the dashboards or workbook or anything. So your aim is you can build the reports. So when you build the report, you need the one database, any type of database. So the advantage of Tableau support what are the databases are available in the market, including Hadoop, means unstructured databases also it support. Unstructured databases also it will be support in the Tableau. That is the biggest advantage in the Tableau. Means you can write, it will support all the files, Excel file, CSV file, any type of files, and what are the databases are available in the market, all the databases is supported in the Tableau. Okay, what happened? You are connecting to the database. What are the database you want to record? You will be connected, and you can pull the tables based on your business requirement. You can create the data modeling. Here data modeling is very simple comparing to the ClickView. Data modeling. In ClickView, data modeling, you can remove the synthetic table, remove the loops. These are all the things that happen in the ClickView. But in the Tableau, very simple, automatically created dimensions and facts. Automatically, we can connect in the table. You can import the tables. So Here right inner join or left outer join or right outer full outer join, it is asking what join you want to require. Very simple way is there. Okay, in the Tableau. So these are all the things we are creating the data modeling. Data modeling. Once your data model was ready, so then you can create the first worksheets. So using that worksheets, you can build a dashboard. Using that workbook dashboards, you can build the workbook. Okay, these are all the things are there. So right, worksheets. Okay, next dashboard, workbook. How to build it? All the things I'll show you. So once your workbook or your dashboard was ready, then your aim is you can publish to the, so this desktop is there, right? Here a desktop is, so these are all the work you can work on the desktop only. Tableau desktop. Okay, I will explain you what are the components are there. I will explain you later. Okay, once right you are build the 10 dashboards or workbooks. Okay, you need to publish to the server. Then right, server is the web-based application. So anywhere you will log in. So I will give the URL, you will log in and you can able to access the application like a Facebook or like a Gmail. Anywhere you will go and set and you can access the application under server. So here under server you can give the folder level access or report level access, scheduling, add the users, all the things you can do it. This is the actually in the developer role and admin. So our course at the end of main focus in the development as well as admin. I will be covered end to end development as well as admin. At the end of this course I will be covered both the things. Okay, both the things. Yes, anybody, any queries? Okay, so this is the right Tableau admin as well as Tableau developer. Right, I will be covered both the things. Main focus development, okay, and admin also. Why? Because right, sometimes you are only one person. You can handle the end to end. That time if you don't know Tableau admin, then you are facing the difficulty. That is the reason I will be covered both things. Okay, if you learn the ClickU, right, similar jobs. Okay, ClickU admin and ClickU developer or designer. Admin part, installation, these are all the common. Here data modeling. Okay, data modeling, here comparing to the Tableau some difficulties are there. Why? Because you are connecting to the tables based on your business record. You can import the tables. Here you can remove the synthetic tables, loops. Okay, what is the synthetic table? What is the synthetic key? Okay, what are the loops? How to remove it? So based on the script, you will go and modify the script. So in ClickU, these are all the things you can do it in the data model. Okay, once your data model was ready in ClickU, then you can write here hierarchy is the first document, then a dashboard, then write a worksheet. Okay, this is the hierarchy. First document, next a dashboard. Okay, next worksheets. Worksheet containing the sheet objects. Okay, so this is the hierarchy. Here 24 types are there. Here 24 types are there in the Tableau. Here 15 sheet objects. And 13 charts are there. 13 charts are there. So right, using these two, you can build the sheets. Using that sheets, you can build the dashboard. Using that dashboard, you can build the document. That is the hierarchy. So remaining server, right, same thing. You can publish to the server, end users, everybody, anywhere you can set and you can able to access. You can able to access the application. So right, you want to create the groups, add the users, all the things you can do it in the ClickU on the server only. Okay, comparing to the, what is the difference between the Tableau and ClickU? So in ClickU, it is a visualization query language using, but in Tableau, visualization query is query, but in Tableau, it is using the VB script. It is using the VB script. In ClickU, right, it is a good for a dashboard creation, right? It is a dashboard very good, but in graphs not good comparing to the Tableau. Okay, in Tableau you can build the a dashboards, you can build the graphs, you can build the maps, anything you can create it, Google Maps or anything you can create it using the Tableau. Comparing to the ClickView and Tableau, the main difference, it is a visualization query. So thick visualizations are there in Tableau. ClickView also visualizations are there, but it is using the VB script. It is using the VB script. Okay, the second, that ClickView, you can build the dashboard is good, comfortable. Tableau also same thing. But compared to the ClickView, the Tableau main advantage, graphs are there. Graphs are maps. So Google Map, what are the map you want to record? So in ClickView maps, not possible to build the maps. That much of flexibility is not there. Okay, that is the difference between the ClickView and Tableau. Yes. So Tulsi or Sudhir, you have any queries? If you have any queries, you can feel free and you can ask me now. Not a problem. Yes, anybody, any queries? Is it clear, right? Okay, now clear, right? Okay, fine. Now data warehouse basics we will see later. Okay, everybody. So Sudhir no, Tulsi don't know. I think she don't know.
Hello, Sudhir.
Yes.
Actually, you asked me the doubts, right? Can you ask
yes, Sudhir,
doubts
if
to
you
the
yes.
trainer itself now itself? Can you clear your doubts now?
Any queries you can feel free and you can ask me. Sudhir, Tulsi, not a problem. Okay, these data warehouse basics, right? Once you are covered all the data warehouse basics later. Okay, all the data warehouse concepts. 3 days I will be covered. Okay. Now I'll give you a brief overview of a Tableau. What is the Tableau? What are the components are there? I will explain the first Tableau, then I'll explain the ClickView. Okay, so both the things I will explain. So right now, agenda, introduction to the Tableau. Right, introduction to the Tableau. Tableau components. What are the components are there in Tableau, and architecture of the Tableau. Tableau desktop 8.2. Right, how to create and everything I will show you. Okay, this is the agenda of the Tableau. So now we'll go to the first. I will explain the Tableau, then I will go to the ClickView and I will show you the architecture and everything. So here, what is the Tableau? So Tableau is the, already I told you, right, data visualization software. Using that one, we can create the interactive reports and dashboards. Build the interactive reports and dashboard. It is using the. Yes, anybody, any queries?
Yeah, I'm good, Harish. Yeah, go ahead.
Okay, so it is using the visualization query, query, that is called query. So right, so these are the, what is the Tableau? A Tableau is the data visualization tool. It is using the interactive reports and a dashboard. Here it is using the visualization query, but in ClickView using the VB script. So why you are choosing in the Tableau? Okay, why you are choosing the Tableau? Easy to use comparing to the all other reporting tools. Right, comparing to the ClickView and Spotfire. So ClickView and Spotfire, you can write down some script, VB script, or if anything you want to change it, you will go and edit the script. Okay, in Tableau, no need to require any type of script. Fast analytics. So ClickView and Tableau both are analytics. Okay, both are analytics. That is not there compared. Support in-memory computing. So both are it support in memory. So here it support heterogeneous data sources. ClickView, it support, right, unstructured, it is not supported databases in ClickView. Hadoop and everything, so far it is not supported. In Tableau it supported Hadoop also. It supported all the, what are the database is available in the market, right? It support all the files and it support all the database, include Hadoop. But Tableau, ClickView, it's not supported so far in Hadoop. Mostly next release it supported the Hadoop. Alright, no need to require alright, all the background, reporting background, you don't want to require it directly, you can learn it very simple manner. And comparing to the all other reporting tools, alright, it is all the new generation reporting tools, it is cheaper. Comparing to the license and everything is very cheap. Okay, that is the reason all the clients, they are using this Tableau. what is the Tableau components. Right here in the Tableau, these are the five components are there. Tableau desktop and Tableau server, Tableau online, Tableau public and Tableau reader. These are the 5 components. In the real time we are using the desktop and server. Okay, Tableau desktop and server. So right, Tableau desktop is the window based, server is the web based. Window based means, what you know, I think you know why, because window based means so you can build the 10 dashboards or 10 reports. You are only able to view it. I cannot able to view it. Why? Because that is the window based. You are only able to say it, but I am not able to say it. I was developed the 10 dashboards. I am only see the reports output and you cannot able to view it. But your aim is clients or end users can able to view it. That is the reason you can publish to the server. Once you have published to the server, so everybody can able to access it. So server is that's the reason server is a web. So here, so Tableau desktop, all the development work you can do it in the desktop. You are connecting to the database and you can pull the tables and you can create the data model. Using the data model you can create the worksheets. Using that worksheets you can build the dashboard. Using the dashboard you can create the workbooks. These workbooks you can write up to you are doing in the Tableau desktop. So your workbooks or dashboards is ready, then you can publish to the server. Then you will go to the server. Under server you can create the groups, add the users, security, write scheduling, all the things you can do it in the server. Okay, here so Tableau desktop and Tableau public desktop. These are the almost both are the similar work, Tableau desktop and Tableau public desktop. What is the difference between the Tableau desktop and Tableau public desktop? So do you have any idea what is the difference between the Tableau desktop and Tableau public desktop? You have any idea is there?
No, Hari. Yeah, I don't have any knowledge in Tableau.
Right, I will tell you. So both are right. In the real time we are using the Tableau desktop and server only. But in any trainings or any students or any university people, they want to interact in the Tableau public. It is a freeware. Tableau public desktop is the freeware. Right, you can choose it. It is a unlimited. Right. It is a freeware. No need to require any license. So what is the same work? What are the work you can do it in the desktop? Right, same work you can do it Tableau public desktop, not Tableau public. Tableau public desktop. So you can build the dashboards, you can build the workbooks, you can build the worksheets, all the things you can do it in both the ways. What is the major difference? If you are using the Tableau desktop, we will be connecting to the any type of database and any type of files, flat files, Excel files, CSV files, anything will be connected in the desktop. But in Tableau public, we are connecting as a source, as a files only, not all the databases option is disabled. If you are using the Tableau public desktop, it is disabled all the databases options. So you are not connecting to the database. Only that is the difference. In the real time, almost all are you are connecting to the database and you can pull the tables. That is the reason. So in the real time, we are using the Tableau desktop. It is a licensed version desktop. But Tableau public is no need to require any license, just sample purpose. So just how is the look and feel, how is the interactivity. These are all the things you can learn purpose, students purpose and trainings purpose. They are giving the Tableau public desktop. Means here you are not possible to connecting to the any type of database. Not possible to connect to the any type of database. Okay, that is the difference between the desktop and public desktop. Yes, Tulsi and Sudhir. Now you got it right. What is the difference between the desktop and public desktop?
Yes. Yeah. So the last 3 are standalone, right? You mean to say?
Right.
Okay.
Correct.
Okay, got it.
Yes, in the right. Desktop, right? You can connect any type of file or any type of databases. It is option is enabled. Desktop, right? Database option. But in public, Tableau public desktop, it is disabled. So you are not. Any example is there. You are connecting to the Excel file or CSV file. you can import it, we can create the sample dashboards at sample purpose. Not possible to connect it to the
So are you going to train on so which one, public or online?
Right, I will give you the three: Tableau desktop and Tableau server and Tableau public desktop. Three components. I will install it in your machine.
Oh, okay.
I will install it in your machine.
So is there any limitations?
So next, what about Tableau desktop is the 1 year license. Tableau desktop is a 1 year license only, right? So main thing, only one thing, how to connect the database. That is the main thing in the desktop. Remaining report building, all the options, everything is possible in the desktop and public desktop. Only one option they are disabled. That is the reason I'll give the Tableau desktop. That is the 1 year license. Tableau public is it is unlimited, means it is not expire anywhere. Okay, it is not expired. Server is the right. It is a trial version only. I am also giving the trial version. When I am explaining the right Tableau.
Okay.
Right. So when I am explaining the server, that time I was installing in your machine, and so just user interaction purpose only using the server. Okay, not only me, right? Any institute or anybody, right? If until unless if you are working in the Tableau in your company, so it is also licensed 3 months, 6 months.
Sorry, I can't hear you.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
What happened, sir?
Sorry, are you there?
Hello.
So, right,
Hari,
so,
sir?
and when
Are
I'm
you there?
server classes. Yeah.
Okay, sir. Continue, sir.
Hello. Are you able to hear you?
Yeah, I can hear you now. Yeah, please go ahead.
Okay. Yes. Atul, are you able to hear you, right? Yeah. Okay, here server is the, I am also giving the, a license and write a trial version. Why? Because all the development work you can do it in the desktop only. Once all the things are ready, then you can publish it. Just you can able to users, end users, clients are able to access the application. That is the purpose they are using the server. So I am also giving the trial version in the server. Okay, so alright, I will show you how to do it and everything. Okay, that is the desktop, server and public. What about Tableau Online? Tableau Online Help. So if you are installing that one, so just if you want to record any queries there, immediately you can send the query, immediately you got the response in the online. Next, Tableau Reader. That is the students' purpose. Students, right? They don't have a license, right? Any dashboard is there. They don't have a license. They cannot able to view it. Okay. Then if you are installing the Tableau Reader, so alright, so it is 2 days or 3 days, you can able to access that dashboard. Okay. So these are the components are there in the Tableau. Main thing in the real time, desktop and server. That's it. Training purpose. So right, Tableau desktop and server and Tableau public. Okay. Next, what about Tableau architecture? So this is the Tableau architecture. So nothing is different here. All the databases, any type of files, cubes, anything. Okay, here, so these are the SQLs, right? Similar, all the things. Here, visualization query is came. Using that visualization query, you can build a dashboards or workbooks or worksheets. So using that one, once you have right dashboards, everything is completed. So using the gateways, you can able to access through desktop. That is the through desktop. Already you are building the right. You can able to use the desktop or mobile, any mobile application or any browser, right? Any browser. There is the web application. This is the Windows. This is the mobile. This is the web. You can able to access the application any write anywhere. You can able to write desktop or mobile or a browser. You can able to view it. That is the Tableau architecture. That is nothing difficult. Here it supports, these are all the databases. NetEase, Salesforce, all the databases as a source. You are in the Tableau desktop, your role. You are connecting to the any database based on your requirement. You can build the dashboards. You can build the workbooks. Once your book, right, all are ready, then this is the client as server. You can able to access, right, as a reader, a PDF format, Excel format, a mobile or any browser. You can able to view it. You can able to use this one. Okay, this is the right Tableau, radar and Tableau. Okay, Tableau. So here, right, these are all the companies nowadays Tableau are using. Almost all the MNC, all the clients they are using the Tableau. All the clients they are using the Tableau. Okay, so here already Tableau products already I explained, right? Tableau desktop, radar and online server. These are all the things. This is the Tableau user interface. Tableau user interface. Okay, Tableau user interface. Okay, this is I will show you. It is open. Once this one is completed, I will explain the ClickView architecture. Both are similar, okay, but the compared to the ClickView, Tableau is the very simple, okay, and very user friendly. No need to require any type of scripting, and data modeling also very simple. That is only different. Remaining all the things, right? You can build the dashboard. Here also you can build the dashboard. So right. So in ClickView, the maps is not that much of compatible, right? Is there? Just this is the interface. I am showing just interface. Right. Once you join, I'll show you all the things. Okay. So this is the right here. 24 types are there. 24 types. Right. Maps. Right. Charts. Right. Table format. All the 24. I will explain them in detail and clearly. These are all the things. Here, this is the workbook. Okay. Here, this is the worksheet. This is the worksheet. Okay. This is the dashboard. This is the dashboard. Okay, here two options are there. What are the options you want to require? You can use it and you can build it using the data model. How to connect the data model and everything, I'll show you once you are joined. I'll show you the things. Okay, so here this is the sample. All right, graphs. Okay, this is the maps. Google Map. Google Maps, right? Comparing to that one, right? In that ClickView, maps are not this much of flexibility is not there. Is there, but so Tableau is very good in the graphs. Okay, so this is the right. Okay, so this is the Tableau. Right, where database server, you are in the developer. You are connecting to the database server. You can import the tables based on your business requirement. Okay, you can build the dashboards 10 or 20. Also based on your requirement, you are created. So your aim is you can deploy to the server. So before deploy to the server, so you can test it yourself. That is called unit testing. Then you can deploy to the right. So testing environment or SIT or UAT. Okay, so based on the company, they will call SIT, some system integration testing. Somebody called as a QA or somebody UAT, user acceptance testing. So they will test it. Once they will give the sign up, then deploy to the production server. If any bug is there, they will resend to the developer. They will rework. They will rework it. So this is the actual process. Okay, these are the 24 types are there. I will explain all the things. Okay, these are all the databases it supported. All the database. Only if you are using the Tableau public, these are the 5 files only enabled. These are all disabled. These are all are disabled. Only these 5 files are only enabled. Okay, so these are all the marks and buttons, file types. These are all the types of bars, charts. Okay, just this is the overview of Tableau. This is the overview of Tableau. So it is taking in 22, right, 25 hours. It's taking 20 to 25 hours. I'll give you the right software, and I will give you the right soft copy of material, and right, I will give you the sample resumes, and I will give you the entry questions. And every day class is completed, immediately I will send you the day wise document. For example, 6, 7, 8. First 3 days data warehousing basics I will be covered, 2 or 3 days. Next 4th and 5th I was installing the software, I will show you. Next 6th onwards it will be start. Okay, first day 1, day 2, day 3 data warehouse basics, all the things I will be covered, and I will give you the material. Once that one is completed, then 4th and 5th I was installing the software. So desktop, server, public desktop, these 3 I was installed. Then day 6th, so how to connect the database. So right, step by step I'll give you the document day wise. Okay, day wise how to connect the step by step. Right, once right under down everyday class is completed, one workshop is there. Okay, you can practice yourself that workshop. If you are not understood, tomorrow next class next day, right, I will explain it where you can stuck it. I am explaining. If you are not understood, it's simple, step by step is there. If you are not understood, definitely I'll explain you one more time. Okay, so how to step by step. So this is the actual process. So day 6, day 7, right, up to everyday class is completed, immediately I'll send you the document, your practicing purpose. Okay, so that is the overview of a Tableau. Yes, anybody, any queries? Tulsi, and right, if any queries you can feel free and you can ask me now. Why? Because right, so in any technical related anything you can ask me. So once this is one okay, then I'll explain the click queue architecture. Yes, Tulsi.
Sir, may I know what are the components in Click?
Click queue I will explain. Once this one is coming, is it clear, right? Tableau is clear. Then I will open the click queue architecture and I will explain. Sridhar or Sudhir, sorry. Right.
Yeah,
Any
what are the
queries?
limitations of this Tableau?
Limitations means right. What you want?
I mean,
Right. You have basic knowledge in the SQL. SQL. You have basic knowledge in the SQL. That is enough. Right.
no,
No need to require function
what
calls
things
and
we cannot perform using a Tableau limitations? What things we can do with the Tableau and what things?
all
we
the
cannot?
things, right? You can.
I mean, when compared to
Limitation, nothing is right. These are all the. Right. All one thing I told you, right? Only one advantage, and right, dashboards, right? Both you can use it to click you and Tableau, and the main advantage, graphs, maps is there, right? Compared to the maps, right? Comparing to the maps, so Tableau is better from click you. Okay, that is the advantage of the Tableau. Okay, so right, almost right. So ClickView is the old one compared to the Tableau. What are the disadvantages are there, right? All the disadvantages they will rectified in the Tableau, and they have right build the Tableau, right? So comparing to the ClickView, Tableau is a better for these are all the things. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Any queries you have? Nothing, right?
So you are going to
Anything you can
provide
feed me.
you are going to provide software, right? So is it a crack version or it's a trial version?
Right, already I told you, right, server only I am giving the trial version, remaining 2 are I am giving the licensed versions. Server, right, not only me, right, you are only, so server is the, just that is the 15 days trial. When I am teaching the server, that time I was installing.
That should be fine. I'm talking about Tableau Desktop 8.2. So is it a trial version or is a
right?
Cracked version?
1 year licensed version I will give you the one, right, 1 year licensed version.
Why I'm asking is, currently I'm residing in US. So in case if I install any cracked version, then it will be a big mess. So
yes, I know.
just asking. So when I connect, yeah, they will trace out, and it will be. I mean, legally it's not permitted in US. So that is
Yes,
the
yes,
reason
I can. Yes, I can. Right, I can understand. So that is the reason, right? I will give you the public and desktop. Both I will install it. So that is the
Okay.
desktop is the 1 year. Public is the it is unlimited, right? You no need to not expire any license.
Okay, I can connect to the internet, right?
Okay.
So
Yes, yes.
okay.
Net not
Okay,
required, right? No, net is not required. Okay.
So
So
net is
then
not required,
now,
but
so Tulsi, I am
so okay.
Yes.
Sorry to interrupt you, Hari. Just I'll drop off this call.
Yeah.
I'll talk to your vendor tomorrow.
Okay, fine.
Because it's already
Okay.
11:30 night. So I am not interested in it.
Yes, yes, I can.
Yeah. Okay. Thanks.
Okay, okay, fine. Okay,
Thank you.
fine.
Bye.
Thanks, fine. Bye. Here, so 3 components. Click, you have 3 components. Okay, so desktop, click you, desktop, click you, publisher, and click you, server. These are the 3 components. Okay, these are the 3 components are there. So only the publisher is given. 11.2.1 onwards, no publisher, directly desktop and server only. So publisher, they are removed. So what is the desktop? Same work, Tableau, right? What are the Tableau desktop is there, right? Similar way, you are connecting to the database, you can pull the tables, right? You can create the data modeling. Data modeling comparing to the Tableau, here synthetic tables are generated, synthetic keys, loops are generated. How to remove the loops, how to remove the tables, I will show you. Alright, I will show you. Using that one, you can remove the anything you can remove it. You need the you will go to the script and you can modify the script. Not that much of difficulty, but you can modify the script only. Okay. So once you are creating the your data model was ready, you can build the dashboards. Once your dashboards is ready, so then okay, your dashboards are ready. Then you can using the dashboard, you can publish to the server. Using the publisher, you can publish to the server. Under server, end users, clients can able to access the application. Okay, there access the application, create the groups, add the security, all the things you can do it. Publisher, what is the publisher? It is refreshing the data. It is refreshing the data. These are the 3 components are there. Okay, now, so we'll go to the here. This is the developer. Your role is here only. You are connecting to the any type of databases. So once you are connected, you are creating the data model. You can create the ClickView workbooks. Okay, your workbooks are ready. So then you can publish to the server. Once you have published to the server, end users can able to access the application. End users can able to access the application. Can able to access the application. Okay, so this is the process. Yes, any queries, Tulsi, if any queries, you can ask me now, not a problem. Similar, only publisher is came in the picture. Okay, both are commutators. Both are commutators. Same thing. Same thing, both.
Okay, sure.
Okay, ClickView developer. This is the window-based desktop tool. Already I told you, right? Window-based means you are only able to view it. Others cannot able to your reports. Okay, so you can create the data modeling first, then you can create the interface, graphical interface reports. That is the developer role. Server, right? You can create the security, create the groups, add the user, security, all the things you can do it in the server. So publisher, already I told you, right? Publisher, main 2 functions. It is used to load the data directly from the source file. It is distributing the services. It is distributing the services. Okay, so these are the 2 works is done by publisher. Okay, database server. Take you developer. You are in the developer role. You are connecting to the desktop database. So you can import the tables, data modeling, everything is ready, and you can create the documents or dashboards or reports. Before publishing to the production server, you can test here. You can test here. You can test here. So the testers can test here. Once they will, so everything is fine, they will give the sign off, then deploy to the production server. They will find out any bug, they will resend to the developer. Okay, developer, they will resend to the developer. So then they will rework and resend to the QA environment, testing environment. they will test it, they will give the sign off, then move to the production server, and the production server, end users, clients, everybody can able to access the application. Okay, so remaining is the ClickView interface. ClickView interface, right? If you are selecting anything, it is showing in green color. For example, you are selecting the India, it is showing in green color. India related all the cities, it is showing one white color. Unrelated, Pakistan cities, any Lahore or any cities, it is showing a gray color. These are the styles. This is the ClickView dashboard. Okay, this is the workbook, under this is the sheets. These are the different types of sheets. Okay, different types of sheets. So each sheet containing the sheet objects. Here 15 sheet objects and 13 charts are there. 15 sheet objects and 13 charts are there. You are using these are all the things. You can build it. You can build this one. Okay, so how to build and everything I will explain the clearly. I will explain the clearly. I see. So here this one also.
Hello.
Yeah, Tulsi, tell me.
Sir,
Yes, yes.
hierarchy tarvata dashboards tarvata worksheets vastayi ClickView lo annaru sir. Hello. Tableau
ఏంటండి చెప్పండి, నాకు అర్థం కాలేదు.
మీరు
చెప్పండి. టాబ్లీలో
ClickView లో వచ్చేసి ఫస్ట్ హైరార్కీ తర్వాత డాష్బోర్డ్ తర్వాత వర్క్షీట్ వస్తుంది అని అన్నారు కదా. టాబ్లీలో లో వచ్చేసి
కాదు, ఫస్ట్ నేను చదువుతా, ఇంకొకసారి చదువుతా చూడండి. ClickViewలో ఏంటంటే ఫస్ట్ డాక్యుమెంట్, నెక్స్ట్ డాక్యుమెంట్ ఆర్ డాష్బోర్డ్ అంటారు. డాక్యుమెంట్ ఆర్ డాష్బోర్డ్ అంటారు. దాంట్లో వర్క్ షీట్స్ ఉంటాయి. దీస్ ఆర్ ఆల్ ద మెయిన్ వర్క్ షీట్. వర్క్ స్పేస్ ఇస్ వన్ వర్క్ షీట్. ఆ నెక్స్ట్ ఏంటి, వర్క్ షీట్ లో షీట్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఫస్ట్ డాక్యుమెంట్, నెక్స్ట్ డాష్బోర్డ్, నెక్స్ట్ వర్క్ షీట్స్, అండర్ షీట్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్. ఓకే, దట్ ఈస్ ద ClickView ఆర్కిటెక్చర్, ClickView హైరార్కీ. ట్యాబ్లో ఏంటి, ఫస్ట్ వర్క్ బుక్ ఉంటుంది, దాంట్లో డాష్బోర్డ్స్ ఉంటాయి, ఆ డాష్బోర్డ్ లో వర్క్ షీట్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఓకే, అది హైరార్కీ. దేంట్లో ఇది హైరార్కీ. ఎస్, ఇప్పుడు ఎప్పుడు అడగండి, అర్థమైందా మేడం?
అర్థమైంది సార్. ఇది
ఓకే, సిమిలర్ అండి ఇది కూడా. దీని ఇంటర్ఫేస్ కూడా చూపిస్తాను, మీరు చూడండి, ఎందుకంటే అయిపోయింది కదా. ఓకే, దిస్ ద ఎంటైర్ డాక్యుమెంట్ ఆర్ డాష్బోర్డ్ అండి. దేంట్లో ఇదొక వర్క్ షీట్, ఇదొక వర్క్ షీట్, ఇది యుఎస్ ప్రెసిడెంట్ వర్క్ షీట్ అనమాట, వర్క్ డాష్బోర్డ్. ఓకే, సో ఇదొక వర్క్ షీట్, వాళ్ళ ఫొటోస్,
సరే సార్.
ఏ ప్రెసిడెంట్ సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకుంటే టెల్ మీ.
ఈ థింగ్ అండ్ డాష్బోర్డ్స్ ఎలా క్రియేట్ చేస్తారు, కంపెనీలో రిక్వైర్మెంట్స్ ఎలా ఇస్తారు, కొంచెం రియల్ టైమ్ సినారియోస్ గా చెప్తారా?
వాళ్ళు ఒక డాక్యుమెంట్ ఇస్తారండి. ఆ డాక్యుమెంట్ లో ఏంటంటే వాళ్ళు మీకు ఒక డాక్యుమెంట్ చూపిస్తారు. ఇలా ఒక డాక్యుమెంట్ ఇస్తారు, ఇది 45 పేజెస్ బిజినెస్ రిక్వైర్మెంట్ డాక్యుమెంట్. దీంట్లో ఏమేం కావాలి ఏంటి అనేది వాళ్ళు క్లియర్గా మెన్షన్ చేస్తారు. ఏ డేటాబేసెస్ కావాలి ఏంటి అనేది ఒక బిజినెస్ రిక్వైర్మెంట్ బిజినెస్ అనలిస్ట్ క్రియేట్ చేసి ఇస్తారు. ఎయిమ్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ డాక్యుమెంట్, కాంపోనెంట్స్ ఆఫ్ ద ClickView డాక్యుమెంట్, లోడింగ్ ద డేటా, ఎండ్ యూజర్ ఇంటర్ఫేస్ ఎలా ఉండాలి, ఏమేం ఫీల్డ్స్ కావాలి, టైం సెలక్షన్ ఫీల్డ్, డ్రిల్ డౌన్ గ్రూప్ ఒకటి కావాలి, గ్రాస్ అండ్ నెట్ రెవెన్యూ చార్ట్ 2 కావాలి. ఓకే, ఆ డీటెయిల్ టేబుల్ ఒకటి కావాలి, యావరేజ్ డిస్కౌంట్ స్పీడోమీటర్ చార్ట్ ఒకటి కావాలి. ఓకే, అండ్ అసోసియేటివ్ చెక్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఒకటి కావాలి. ఇవన్నీ ఏమేమి కావాలి, వాళ్ళ స్పెసిఫికేషన్ ఏంటి అనేది బిజినెస్ అనలిస్ట్ అనే ఆవిడ లేదా అతను బిజినెస్ అనలిస్ట్ అనే వాళ్ళు క్రియేట్ చేసి ఇస్తారు. యూ కెన్ యూజ్ ఇట్ దట్ వన్ అండ్ యూ కెన్ స్టార్ట్ యువర్ వర్కింగ్. సో వాట్ ఆర్ ద tables, what are the right under north wind Okay, here CSV file, Excel file. So these are all the databases you can use it, and you can build the dashboard. ఎలా చేయాలి ఏంటి అనేది they will give the one specific dash ఒక document ఇస్తారు, specification document ఇస్తారు. How to build it and everything I will show you once you join, right? Then I will show you.
Okay, sir.
So there,
Compared to Tableau, is there any disadvantages in ClickView?
no disadvantages, at both are competitors, right? That's it, right? Both are competitors. ఇప్పుడు ఏంటంటే క్లిక్ యూ ముందు వచ్చిందండి. క్లిక్ యూలో ఉన్న కొన్ని డ్రాబ్యాక్స్ అంటే ఏంది, మ్యాప్స్ ఇన్ మోస్ట్లీ క్లిక్ యూ నెక్స్ట్ వర్షన్ లో ఆ గూగుల్ గ్రాఫ్స్ ఉంటాయి కదా, గూగుల్ మ్యాప్ అంటాం కదా, ఆ మ్యాప్స్ అవి ఏంటి డాష్ క్లిక్ యూలో కూడా ఉన్నాయి. కానీ సో అంత బాగా అంటే యూజ్ చేయలేదు, అంటే అంత బాగా ఇవ్వలేదు ఇంటర్ఫేస్. కాగ్నోస్లో ఇప్పటి నుంచో ఉన్నాయి మ్యాప్స్ ఇవన్నీ, కానీ అప్పుడెప్పుడు 8th వర్షన్ నుంచి ఉన్నాయి. కానీ ఏంటి దాంతో పోల్చుకుంటే క్లిక్ యూలో బాగుంటుంది. క్లిక్ యూలో పోల్చుకుంటే మ్యాప్స్ ఏంది కొంచెం బాగా అట్రాక్టివ్గా ఇచ్చాడు. ఓకే, ట్యాబ్లీలో క్లిక్ యూ ఏం చేస్తాడు వాడు, రేపు నెక్స్ట్ వర్షన్లో ఆ ట్యాబ్లీలో చూసేసి వాడు కూడా అవి బిల్డ్ చేస్తారు. ఓకే, సేమ్ ఇవన్నీ ఒక టూల్ నుంచి ఇంకొక టూల్ కాపీ చేసుకుంటే వెళ్తారు. న్యూ వర్షన్స్ వచ్చే కొంది దాంట్లో ఏం పెట్టాడు వాడు దానికి రిలేటెడ్గా వీడు కూడా పెట్టేస్తూ ఉంటారు అనమాట. అలా బోత్ ఆర్ ఆల్మోస్ట్ సిమిలర్, రైట్? సో ట్యాబ్లెట్ క్లిక్ యూలో డాష్ బోర్డ్స్ అనేది చాలా ఈజీగా క్రియేట్ చేస్తాం. చాలా కొంచెం బాగా ఒక స్టైల్ ఉంటుంది క్లిక్ యూలో ట్యాబ్లెట్తో పోల్చుకుంటే. నాకైతే క్లిక్ యూలో డాష్ బోర్డ్స్ కొంచెం స్టైలిష్గా ఉంటాయి, కొంచెం యూజర్ ఇంటర్ఫేస్ బాగుంటుంది. ఓకే, సో అసలు ఎటువంటి ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ లేకపోయినా ఎటువంటి రిపోర్టింగ్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ లేకపోయినా కూడా ఈజీగా బిల్డ్ చేయాలంటే ట్యాబ్లెట్. కొంచెం నాలెడ్జ్ కానీ ఏదైనా మీన్స్ ఏదైనా టూల్స్లో ఉంటే విల్ గో టు ద క్లిక్ యూ. బోత్ ఆర్ సిమిలర్, నథింగ్ ఈజ్ డిఫికల్ట్. జస్ట్ ఎస్క్యూఎల్ బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ ఉంటే చాలు, జస్ట్ ఎస్క్యూఎల్ నాలెడ్జ్, నాట్ బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్. అది దానికి దీనికి డిఫరెంట్. ఓకే ఓకే ఓకే, దెన్ రైట్ యూ కెన్ చూజ్ ఇట్. చెప్పండి తులసి గారు.
నేను ఏది చూస్ చేసుకోవాలనేది అర్థం కావట్లేదు సార్.
ఓకే, అది అంటే ఏదైనా ఒకటే మేడం, ఏ టూల్ నేర్చుకున్నా క్లియర్గా దాని మీద మీరు క్లియర్గా కాన్సన్ట్రేషన్ చేసి నీట్గా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తున్నారు. రోజు కొన్ని న్యూ థింగ్స్ యూ కెన్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్. సో ట్రైనింగ్ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత ఎవ్రీడే ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసుకోవాలి. న్యూ థింగ్స్ ఏమేమి ఉన్నాయి ఏంటి అనేది మొత్తం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసుకుంటూ వెళ్తూ ఉండాలి. అలా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసుకుని 2 months కానీ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తే డెఫినెట్లీ యూ కెన్ లెర్న్ ఇట్ ట్యాబ్లూ ఆర్ యూ కెన్ లెర్న్ ఇట్ క్లిక్ యూ, ఎనీ టూల్. రైట్, ఏ టూల్ అయినా మనం ఎంతవరకు నేర్చుకున్నాం, ఎంతవరకు దాంట్లో తొలగున్నాం అనేది చూస్తాం. అంతేగాని ఏదైనా ఒకటే. దేన్ని క్లిక్ యూలో పెట్టింది ట్యాబ్లూలో పెడతాడు, ట్యాబ్లూలో పెట్టింది నెక్స్ట్ వర్షన్లో క్లిక్ యూలో పెడతాడు. టూల్ అనేది ఏదైనా ఒకటే. ఓకే, సో అది యువర్ చాయిస్. మీరు ఏంటంటే జాబ్ కానీ ఏదైనా కెరీర్ అప్పుడు మీరు ఎంచుకోవాలి. అంటే మీరు మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ని కానీ వాళ్ళని అడిగి డిసైడ్ చేసుకోండి, ప్రాబ్లం లేదు. ట్యాబ్లెట్ ఏంటండి
మార్కెట్ లో డిమాండ్ మాత్రం 2 tools కి ఉంది అంటారు, అంతేనా?
అవునవునండి, రెండింటికి ఉంది. కంపేరింగ్ టు ద క్లిక్ యూ, ట్యాబ్లూ అనేది కొంచెం కాంపిటీషన్ తక్కువగా ఉంటుంది. ప్రాజెక్టులు కూడా ట్యాబ్లూతో పోల్చుకుంటే క్లిక్ యూ అంటే ఆల్మోస్ట్ 4 years నుంచి క్లిక్ యూ అనేది మార్కెట్లో ఉంది కాబట్టి కొంచెం అందరూ ఆల్రెడీ యూజర్స్ అందరూ కొంచెం అడిక్ట్ అయి ఉన్నారు. సో ప్రాజెక్టులు కూడా ట్యాబ్లూతో పోల్చుకుంటే క్లిక్ యూకి ఎక్కువ ప్రాజెక్టులు ఉన్నాయి. కాంపిటీషన్ వచ్చేకి క్లిక్ యూతో పోల్చుకుంటే ట్యాబ్లూ కొంచెం తక్కువగా ఉంది. ఓకేనా?
ఓకే సార్. సార్ మీరు టాబ్లూ అయినా క్లిక్ అయినా ప్రాజెక్ట్ గా శాంపిల్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ గా చూపెడతారు కదా సార్ లాస్ట్?
మేము అన్ని చూపిస్తామండి. చూపించిన తర్వాత మీకు శాంపిల్ రెజ్యూమ్ ఇస్తాం, రోల్స్ అండ్ రెస్పాన్సిబిలిటీస్ పెట్టుకుంటారు. జస్ట్ 2 to 3 months గట్టిగా కాన్సన్ట్రేషన్ చేస్తే జాబ్ వస్తుందండి, డెఫినెట్గా వస్తుంది. జాబ్ రాకుండా పోయే ప్రసక్తే ఉండదన్నమాట. ఓకే, సో యువర్ వేర్ ఆర్ యూ తులసి గారు? మీరు ఇక్కడ ఇండియానా లేకపోతే యుఎస్లో ఉన్నారు? ఓ, హైదరాబాద్లో ఉన్నారా? ఓకే. ఏంటండి?
క్లాస్ రూమ్ ట్రైనింగ్
చెప్పండి అండి. లేదండి, నాకు అంత టైం ఉండదు. క్లాస్ రూమ్ అదేమి ఉండదండి, ఓన్లీ ఆన్లైనే. అంత ముందైతే ఇచ్చేవాడిని కానీ లాస్ట్. చెప్పండి అండి. ఫోన్ నెంబర్ అది వాళ్ళ అదేం లేదండి, వాళ్ళని అడగండి అండి. మీరు ఉన్నారు కదా కన్సల్టెంట్, వాళ్ళని అడగండి. మీకు ఓకే అయితే ఐ మీన్ మీకు మీకు ఓకే అయితే అప్పుడు మనం మీరు క్లిక్ అయినా ట్యాబ్ అయినా ఏదైనా చేయండి, ప్రాబ్లం లేదండి, అదేం ప్రాబ్లం లేదు. ఓకేనా? మీరు వన్స్ జాయిన్ అయిన తర్వాత విల్ ఏంటంటే
ముఖ్యకి ఎన్ని అవర్స్ పడుతుంది?
సేమ్ అండి, సిమిలర్. సో ట్యాబ్లు 20 అవర్స్ పడుతుందండి, క్లిక్ 25 అవర్స్ పడుతుందండి.
ఓకే
ఓకేనా?
ఓకే సార్.
అదే.
ఓకే సార్,
ఓకే,
థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్.
క్లియర్ రైట్?
Yeah, sir.
థ్యాంక్స్, ఫైన్ అండి. ఓకే, ఫైన్, బాయ్ బాయ్.
Bye.